Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to another episode from Pacific Arc Tig Welding. My name's Dusty. Everybody that watches the show every week, you'll probably notice I have a little co-host here. He was supposed to be napping right now, but for some reason, the dogs decided to bark and be super loud. They woke him up, so only option to do a little video here today. Luckily, it's an easy video. We're not doing any welding. Justin Voss has an awesome YouTube channel. I'll put it right on the screen right there. It is also in the description below. Pop on down there, check it out. Defiant Metal is his welding company, and they were awesome enough to send me a bunch of their TIG welding gloves. So I just wanted to pop on here, give a quick shout out, say thank you, Justin, very much for sending them. And I wanted to show everybody kind of what they look like and how much I enjoy them. So as you can see here, they're pretty light duty gloves, which is awesome because I actually prefer light duty gloves. Everybody knows me. I do kind of finer art with my TIG welding and stuff, so these are pretty much perfect for me. They have a little bit of extra padding on the bottom of your hand. So what's gonna happen is when you're welding, see if I can put these gloves on while I'm holding my kid here. There we go. You wanna hold some? Here. What do you think? They cool? But you can see they fit pretty well. You got a little bit of extra padding on the back of your hand so you can rest it down on something that's hot. Probably my favorite thing about these ones so far that I really appreciate is the cuff on them. The cuff on them is a really nice soft leather, which is great. I have several other pairs of TIG gloves that I use here where the cuffs are really stiff. They take like a long time to break in. These ones are nice and soft. They're super scrunchy. They do keep your hands relatively safe from the heat. Because they're a lot thinner, they're obviously gonna heat up quite a bit more. All right, you wanna play? Check them out. Hang out right there. But yeah, I just wanted to pop on and say thank you so much, Justin, for sending these to me. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just doing this because I genuinely like these gloves. They're super dope. I encourage everybody, go to my link in the description below. It'll pop you on over to Justin's site where you can pick these up, or some of the ones. He has a bunch of different ones. I don't know what he has in stock right now, but you can try it out. Look at him, he's putting them on. There you go. But yeah, pop on over to Justin's site below. They work really good. They just genuinely feel good for layout and stuff like that. So, but they also feel good for many other things that you can do with them. They're tough gloves. Check out all the things you can do with them. But yeah, thanks a lot for popping on over to check out the video today. Thanks, Felix. Appreciate you watching. Check out Justin's stuff. Check out the rest of the stuff on my channel. Hope you have a good one. Talk to you soon. Peace.